If you're visiting LA for the first time, let me tell you 5 tips that you need to know to have the best experience out here. Number 1, if you want to go to the beach, Santa Monica and Venice are good for the aesthetics, but don't get in the water there. It's not clean. Instead, if you want to go in the water, go to Manhattan Beach or to Malibu. Number 2, if you want a really good picture with the Hollywood sign, don't go to the Griffith Observatory. Instead, go to Lake Hollywood Park. It's in the same area, just a different part, and you're going to have a big open green space with the Hollywood sign right behind you. Number 3, if you want to have a luxurious shopping experience, go to the Grove, the Beverly Center, the Americana, or Century City Mall. Number 4, nightlife. If you want to have the best time, honestly, just go to West Hollywood, Santa Monica Boulevard. That's where all the bars and clubs are. You can bar hop for free. And on Fridays and Saturdays, there's some places that are even open until 4 a.m. And if you like this video, don't forget to follow me so that way you can know all of the best things to see and do in and around Los Angeles. And last but not least is tip number 5. So no matter how long you're going to be out here, you're going to need to transport yourself, whether it's going to be through Uber, or my recommendation is to honestly just rent a car. You'll save much more time and money because Ubers get pretty expensive considering there's over 4 million people in LA. And on top of that, there's always surges and the traffic. Just honestly go rent a car. You're welcome.